Essie happily and family. Fun gardening. Fall weather is here. But I'm happy because that means I can move whatever I want to move in my garden and it will survive and will not go through a stress moment of feelings and emotions. I be feeling like these plants got feelings, y'all. But this is, I'm dirty because this is reality of carrying heavy shrubs. Honey, it's not pretty work, but it's so rejuvenating. And y'all, I'm so happy also because I finally get it. Like, my eye see things all summer. It's seeing things that was in the wrong places because of height, because of texture. And now I get to move things around. And as you can see, if you've seen my previous video, it was very cluttered up in here. But now I have color behind me from the knockout roses. And then I'm going to add 2 more roses, my ground cover roses. And it's just like, wow. And then if you all see here, this space is new also. So everything is beginning to look much better. And so next season, when I'm ready to put tulips in the ground and I'm ready to throw my seeds and stuff, everything has a home, a correct home. I'm excited. I'm so grateful to be a beginner gardener. I knew how to grow shrubs, but all this other stuff, whew. So then, oh my God, perennials, annuals, the bugs like those more. Whew. Except them Indian high thorns. I ain't fooling with those over varieties because they're a mess. So do not buy over varieties of Indian hawthorns. You won't get your money's worth. But besides that, you all, let me get started. I hope you all are doing great. If you haven't considered subscribing, please do so. Join my family, my real family, and everyone that I'm getting to know, because I like to get to know you all. Rose number 1 that I continue to have to cut back because it's in my pathway to my water hose. And rose number 2 that is massive, that gives us these beautiful red roses that fills up really nice. Transplanting. Rose is time. Also, I'm going to transplant these 2 Ligustrums and place them in front of the lower repellulums. Tomato plant did grow back. I have 2 of them growing. I hope I get some tomatoes. Oh, I'm tempted to grab the poet's wife rose. 2 beautiful blooms. Oh, I'm very, very tempted, everyone. All right, I have my 6 holes dug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has only been here 1 season. I do step on. If that's easy for you. Oh, this is work. All right, I took a break from that rose. And now I'm coming to the easiest, or the easy Ligustrums. They were clearance plants that have done really well. Gave me some growth with not a lot of sunlight. So now it's time to move you to more sunlight. Now, doesn't that look better? Pops of color added. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Now, I did collect the soil that was in the ground. Help this dry. This rose is next. Duet rose. What I have the tag. It is a Gina Laura. I'm going to hate to see this one go. It's so beautiful. But I know it doesn't get enough sunlight. I'm going to buy another rose and put it right back in there. Watch. Next year. This one I am taking my soil with me because it's very rich. Three roses planted. Now I did not let this rose defeat me. I'm back and it's coming out, but it is much, much larger, everyone. So here we go. Deep breath. Oh, massive. Of course, I misjudged the size of this, and it's the same. It was planted the same exact year as the other rose bush or rose ground cover, but it goes to show that some plants do much. Well, the location determines the size. So here we go. I have more digging to do because it has to be at least twice as wide. I'm going to go. Well, the roots grow downward, so I'll go a little bit deep, but I have to go wider. My hole is dug. I want to show you what not to do. Do not stack your mulch. Just throw your mulch in the inside like this. It's best, you all, of course, to go around the sides because this can kill the canes. So I have to, before I put this in here, try to get all this mulch out. Oh, horrible. Just horrible. New beginner's mistake. Maybe if I flip it upside down, it'll fall out. Oh, shucks, the dirt is gonna fall with it. Also, if you don't know, I have asphalt on my ground with mulch on top of the plants because asphalt, you don't want that directly on top of the plants. And the asphalt was free because I cannot afford to put mulch in my entire, or this is just ridiculous. I promise you, this is just that's what I gotta say about this. This is just ridiculous. Wow, look how large that is. It looks a mess. I'm gonna prune that back. It ain't staying like that. That thing gotta be 8 feet wide. Oh my gosh, it gotta be 8 feet wide. And I don't know how tall that is, but that's too tall. Just stick around. And you want to cut off any canes that are looking brown. Prune them off. Of course, I'm pruning for shape. This is an example. This cane down here is an old one, very old. So that's brown, and I'm going to take off this. I'll let you all see the beautiful flowers, roses. You see the beautiful roses? Bye-bye. Everyone, I did find canes that had roots growing out of it. So this is an easy, free plant. I'll put it in some water and plant it in a new location. Maybe I should plant it right back in the ground. Those are crepe myrtles that have grown through the fence from seeds. Crepe myrtles can be aggressive, everyone. Y'all see my new centerpiece? I've been wanting to move this rose. It's been there for 6 or 7 years. I think it was 6 years. But, oh, now, because I miss my white fountain, this is what I'm going to do. Paper to break down.